Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to the latest and greatest in kitchen gadgets. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best air fryer on the market, the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus. Now, what sets this air fryer apart from the rest? Well, let me tell you, it's not just an air fryer. It's also a rotisserie, dehydrator, convection oven, and more, all rolled into one convenient appliance. With 17 touchscreen presets, you can fry, roast, dehydrate, bake, and cook to your heart's content. But what makes this air fryer shine is its versatility. Whether you're cooking for yourself or the whole family, its extra-large 10-liter capacity has you covered. Plus, with its rapid air heating elements, you can cook faster and more evenly than ever before, perfect for those busy weeknight dinners. But don't just take our word for it. Customers everywhere are singing the praises of the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus. From its ease of use to its easy-to-clean design, it's a game-changer in the kitchen. So, if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, look no further than the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus. With its innovative features and unmatched versatility, it's sure to become your new favorite kitchen companion. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest kitchen must-haves. Until next time, happy cooking!